How's it going, guys? Hey, this is the giant spider I put out. I have one video of this guy out there so far, and I'm just coming out to pick up my trail cameras. One's behind me right here and one's over there. So hopefully I got two angles coming at this guy. For some reason I don't understand this, but they like to lick on the bottom. At least I've seen a buck lick on the bottom of its feet several times. And I'm not for sure why they do that. Would you guys know why? I have no idea. But anyway, I'm pretty excited. I got another smaller spider down this way south of us. So I'm excited to get home and see these videos. It's going to be surprising, I think. If you guys got any ideas what you'd like to see out here in the woods, out in the timber here, and would like to see what's set up that's harmless, you know, to the deer, let me know, and maybe I can set it up out here. See how they react to it, whatever it may be. Thanks a ton for watching, guys, and please subscribe if you'd like to this channel so you can watch more of my videos, and please comment down below and hit the like button if you'd like to, like. So anyway, let's get home, check this out, and I'll post this video, and I'm not young anymore.